Hello dear student, welcome to new session of Newton's laws of motion. It's your 11th class my dear student related to this chapter. Now we'll discuss some numericals. So I'm dictating the statement of numerical. Try to solve by your own. So write down the very first question. It is determine the tension T1 and T2, determine the tension T1 and T2 in the string, determine the tension T1 and T2 in the string, determine the tension T1 and T2 in the string, if the applied force is of 10 Newton, determine the tension T1 and T2 on string if the applied force is of 10 Newton. If the applied force is of 10 Newton. So see dear student, this is a question in which they are saying the applied force is 10 Newton. In that situation, find first part T1, second part T2 and third part, let's suppose they are also asked for finding acceleration. So my dear student, as we already know, the string which is used here is basically massless. Remember this thing, the string is always massless. So for finding acceleration, first part I'll find the acceleration. As we know, F net is nothing but mass into A net. So here dear student, all the bodies is considered to be a single body, and this all body is moving under the action of only one force, and that force is dear student 10 Newton. So first F net is 10. Consider all the three bodies as a single mass, so it rests to be M net into A net. Now M net must be equals to 2 plus 3, that is 3 plus 2 5, 5 and 5 is 10. So 10 is equals to 10 into A net, 10 and 10 get cancelled, so A net becomes equals to 1 meter per second square. So this is the dear student value of acceleration. Now see, the direction of force is in this direction, so acceleration of this mass is in this direction, this mass is in this direction, and this mass is also in this direction dear student, because we know that the direction of acceleration is always along the direction of force. Now for finding the value of T2, either you have to make the FBD of 5 kg block or make the FBD of 3 kg block. So let's make the FBD of 5 kg block. So I'll writing here FBD of 5 kg block. So see my dear student, this is our 5 kg block. Vertically downward it is mg, upside it is normal, and a force is acting on this 5 kg block in this direction. Its acceleration is also in this direction, and it is 1 meter per second square. Now see, this 5 kg block is attached with a string in which T2 tension is there, and we know that tension is always my dear student a pulling force. So if tension is a pulling force, then it always away from the body. So T2 can be made away from the body. Now see dear student, the acceleration, see in this direction, we can say in vertical direction motion is not possible. As we see, the block cannot move down, the block cannot move up. So mg is 50. So here n is equals to mg, as if motion is not possible, then we can say the forces are in equilibrium. And we all aware with the term called equilibrium. Equilibrium means opposite forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. So N becomes equals to mg, that is equals to 50. Now see my dear student, the direction of acceleration is in this side and one force is acting in this side, 10 Newton, and T2 is acting in backward. So along the horizontal axis we'll apply F net is equals to ma net. F net means bigger force minus smaller force is equals to m into a net. Now bigger force is 10 because the direction of motion is along the direction of 10 Newton. So 10 Newton force is bigger force. So 10 minus T2 is equals to 5 into acceleration is 1. So 10 minus T2 is equals to 5. So minus T2 is equals to 5 minus 10. So T2 becomes equals to, dear student, 5 Newton. This is the value of tension T2 present in this string. Moving forward, now find the value of T1. So for finding the value of T1, either you have to make the FBD of 3 kg or you have to make the FBD of 2 kg. See, if you are making the FBD of 3 kg block, then two tensions will be acting on this 3 kg